Early one morning while making the rounds, I took a shot of cocaine and I shot my woman down. Went right home and I went to bed. I stuck that lovely 44 beneath my bed. Got up next morning and I grabbed that gun. Took a shot of cocaine and away I run. Made a good run, but I run too slow. They overtook me down in Juarez, Mexico. Sat in that hot joint, taking them pills. In walked the sheriff from Jericho Hill. He said, Willie Lee, your name is not Jack Brown, but you're the dirty hack that shut your woman down. Said, yes, so yes, my name is Willie Lee. If you got a warrant, then just read it to me. Shot her down because she made me so. I thought it was her daddy, but she had 5 more.